So, I got Gymshark clothes, and I don't know how I feel about these. These are the least forgiving workout pants I think I've ever bought. I think these are supposed to be like way higher than what they are. And I think they're see-through, right? I do like this shirt though. This top's cute. I don't know about these. You guys, I just went to Target and I picked up so much stuff for my first giveaway. So I'm going to put a screen cap of everything that you can win. I'm gonna go to Ulta and pick up the last little thing, but all you have to do to enter is click the link down below. It'll have directions on how to enter. You need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you also need to follow me on Instagram, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Unfortunately, this one is US only. I kind of looked at my statistics for my demographic because I didn't want to make it US only if I had a ton of international subscribers, and I really don't. Most of my viewers, aside from a very select few, are US, so this giveaway will be US only, but in the future I will open up giveaways to international followers as well. It's just right now it really didn't make sense because most of my followers are in the US. So US only, click that link, make sure you're subscribed, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram as well. And just FYI, if you're one of those accounts that specifically follows people for giveaways and that's it, you will be disqualified from any of my future giveaways. So just wanted to throw that out there. Don't want to be mean, but I want this to go to someone that's been a follower and a supporter of me, not someone that just follows accounts for giveaways and then ghosts them forever, you know? So I'm gonna go pick up the last little thing for the giveaway, and then I'm gonna go to the gym, and yeah, I cannot wait to see who wins the giveaway. I'm so excited. We have some lashes. These are I have the silver ones of these and also the gold because I bought myself a pair, but these are my favorite hoops I've ever had. I got some stuff from some of those like Sephora favorite sets that I just kind of broke up. So we have some hand cream, some setting spray, we have some body stuff, some hair stuff, a ton of sheet masks, the holiday palette from ColourPop, a copy of Girl Wash Your Face because of course, some blotting papers, some body luminizer, some body wash, the other palette from the ColourPop collection, some deodorant, my favorite one ever, one of my favorite bath bombs ever, some of my favorite mascara, bronzer, all that stuff. This is like my favorite lip scrub of all time, my favorite eyeliner of all time. So just a ton of stuff that could work for every skin tone, everybody. So yeah, this is all that you can win. Look at these. Obviously that represents Josh. Is that a J or is that an L? Oh, I did it wrong. family game night. We're playing Monopoly the Cheaters Edition. Everyone's thrilled. So I'm ending the vlog here. I just played Monopoly and I ate dinner. Yeah. Nothing else. Just gonna go to sleep. I'm getting my hair cut tomorrow, so be on the lookout for an Instagram post about that. And make sure you check the description box for all the details for that. So yeah.